Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to disable Google Assistant on your phone. So basically what Google Assistant means, so when Google Assistant is enabled, then whenever you call it, like say a certain keyword, then it's gonna activate. For like most of us, if I say okay Google, then my Google will activate. In other cases there could be other thing. It's just like iPhone, and like where you say hey Siri and then it opens up automatically. It's the same for Google. If you say hey Google or other keywords which you set, then it's gonna open. So to disable it, go to Google, and at the bottom left corner click on more, go to settings, go to Google Assistant, scroll down until you see general, manage general settings for your assistant, then click on general. Then on Google Assistant, your assistant helps answer your question and get things done. It's currently on right now. Just click on it and click on turn off, and boom, that's how you disable your Google Assistant. Now if you say okay Google or other keywords which you set to call your Google, then it's not gonna respond. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.